In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix if the Discord is not detecting mic and how we can fix this. So for many users, when they try to get into the Discord, they have this issue with the mic and they're trying to fix it. But even though if it's still having the issue, then what you need to do is try following these steps, and I'm going to help you guys with that. So the first one, what you need to do is we have to go over here, type your first settings. But what you need to do is go to the settings. Now, once you get into the settings, we need to make sure of a few things first. Sometimes, the access should be given. So go to the privacy and security. From here, you have to scroll it down under the app permission, navigate the microphone. And from here, what you need to do is just make sure the microphone access is enabled. And also make sure the let app access your microphone should also be enabled. And if you scroll it down, what you need to do is make sure the let app access your microphone should be turned on. And also make sure the Discord is having the access as well. Over here, as you can see, I have already given all the access to apps, and also make sure this is being turned on. This is the first and foremost thing what you need to do. After cross-checking this, you have to close this. Now over here at the bottom, you can see there is your speaker icon. You have to right click and go to the sound setting. Now from here, what you need to do is go to the output and input. From here in the input, make sure that you have given your microphone here. So in my case, as you can see, I have given the microphone, and this is the default device like I did. And once you set this up, make sure the volume is set to the maximum. And from here, you have to scroll it down and navigate to the more sound setting. Now from here, once you get into this, go to the recording. And over here, as you can see, you have to select your right microphone, and you have to make sure that is a default device here. So in my case, as you can see, I have already selected the microphone as the default device, and also make sure that it is enabled. So over here, it is all enabled and it is created as a default device. Now we have to right click and go to the properties. Now from here, go to the advanced, make sure that you put a check on this box called allow applications to take exclusive control of this device should be done, and just go for OK. And once everything has been set up, what you need to do is we just need to go over here and you have to click on this. After trying with this, still if there is an issue, then there are few things what you need to do. So these are the best thing, and apart from this, we have to go to the Discord, and from here go to the user setting. Now from here, go to the voice and video, and from here over here in the microphone, make sure that you have selected the correct device. So as you can see, in my case, the microphone Yeti stereo microphone is my default device, which I have already selected as a default one. So if you're having any microphone here like this, you have to select it. So in my case, I have selected the right device and make sure it, and also make sure the microphone volume is set to the maximum here as well. So these are the things when it comes to how to cross-check if you're having a trouble with the Discord microphone is not getting detected, and how we can fix this. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.